YouTube. This is a quick video just explaining how I extract Godot, I don't even know if I'm saying that word right, game assets from a game like, in this case, Backpack Battles. So to do this, we need 3 programs. I'm not going to walk through these too much, but you need to download and install Python. I'm going to have a link below in the description. So yeah, just download Python, you click the exe. When you're installing it, it's good to check this box to add the Python path. It just makes everything easier. If you don't do that, it's not a big deal, but it helps. Once you have Python installed, we're going to do Windows R. It opens on my other monitor to run something. We're going to run, already typed in, CMD. That's what we're doing. Okay. It opens on the other monitor, over here. So now, you need to find out where your game files are located. And mine, well, no. First, you have to go download from GitHub this thing, the Godot Unpacker. To do that, you download the zip, you unpack the zip. I'm not walking through all of that. Mine ends up going straight to the downloads folder, and I never moved it because I'm lazy. I should move it, never did. The file that I want to unpack is located in Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Backpack Battles. This is the Godot file. Something like that. So what we do, we take all of this, copy it, Control-C, Control-V, hit Enter, and this is going to output to right here. Oh, was that it? Is it done? Probably. Yeah, there it is. So these are our files. They're not organized in a super intuitive way, probably because they're not meant to be like accessed, but that's okay. So to find them, we can go assets, has some of the things. You really just have to explore this a bit. Most of the things, there's an atlas for like the original items. To get the original items, you actually have to cut them out of this atlas, which is a pain. Not a big deal, but you need to use Photoshop or GIMP or something. All of the other items, the newer ones, are inside of items, sprites. So these ones are not super new. Any of the ones with the broken images are in that atlas. These ones are like older new items. And then the very new items are under exclusive sprites. And these ones should not be broken for the most part. That small one. Eye particle mask. Interesting. They're not super well organized, but that's how I get my Backpack Battles files. Now when I try to use these in Photoshop, I get errors. To fix those errors, I have to go download another program called magick. This one does take some time to run. So, am I in the right place? No, I would need to change my directory. Do this one. We're going to come over here, hit CD for change directory. Paste that because I'm already in this LTG one, so I'm just one level down from Backpack Battles pack. Move into there. What happened? Move in. There we go. We move into there, and then in there, this is the command that we run after installing magick, and this one takes a while to run. And all it does, what is going on? Control-V. Did I not copy? My computer is not cooperating. There we go. It goes through and every single PNG, I don't know exactly what it does. It mogrifys them. It just remakes them into a new PNG that actually works with Photoshop and doesn't complain and makes me happy. So yeah, that is how I extract the PNG images for Godot game files. You can also do it with Unity, but you have to use a different thing. I don't really remember how to do it with Unity. I don't have a good like step-by-step guide for that in my mind yet. There are other ways to get the game files or to get things for thumbnails. One that I usually do you just go to Steam database and go Backpack Battles. Come here. Make this larger. So if we scroll down, we have to go metadata. Scroll down a little bit. Load all image assets. Some of these are kind of helpful. 2x logo, that one's helpful. This one, probably not that helpful. This background, that can be helpful. So you can make this one looks like it would be helpful. Backpack, not really. So you come over there, you can use this in Photoshop. It will end up being transparent background, which is useful. It kind of sucks that they have this little bit of shading behind it, because that makes it difficult to apply your own shading. This one, a little bit too small to use. If you blow it up, it'll work, but it'll start to become a little bit blurry. This one, very usable. And this one. I think I am using this. I just blur it out a little bit for my thumbnails. What am I doing? Making a mess. All of my stars. My thumbnails are very much a mess. I am not going to make a guide on using Photoshop because I don't know what I'm doing. But in general, as you add more and more of the files from here to your Photoshop file, if you actually organize them, which I don't, then it's quick and easy to say, I want a flame badge added. Okay, but I don't want the other badges, so turn off wolf badge, skull badge. Wait, where's flame badge? It's hidden behind this mask. So you can do that. I kind of prefer just taking the screenshot. It's a lot easier. I don't have any screenshots down here that are decent. It's a lot easier. It doesn't look quite as good, but the amount of work compared to the result. So you can take the screenshot and then just add your own stars over it or whatever to make it a little bit better. And I could just add my own busted blade over it. I'm not organized well. I need to reorganize these. As I sit there and add 4 copies of burning coal, things become more of a mess. Busted blade is right here. So I could add my own busted blade over this. We have another busted blade right there. We could do that. Is it good? No. Does it make the screenshot a little bit better? I don't know. Maybe. And then you could add, did they have gems? They did have gems, so I could add all of the gems onto them. Burning coal. Bam. That was not one of the gems. But we could add a bunch of burning coals to it. We could add stars to it. We can do whatever stuff. Bottom line, using the screenshot can save a ton of time. And you can do a better screenshot than that. That's just a random one that I had over here. I think I was using this to just put the items on top of the screenshot. Or just using it to tell me which items I needed to add. I don't know. That's way outside the scope of what we're trying to do in this video. We were just supposed to be doing extracting Godot game assets. So I'm gonna paste all of this into the, not comments, into the description below. And if anybody has any other tips for better ways to do this, I'm welcome to leave your comments, I guess, below. Especially if you have good ways to do it for Unity. Because I really don't know. I need a good unpacker for that. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching.